What is your opinion on the validity of the Novus Ordo Missae itself, ignoring the factor of the Novus Ordo's invalid ordinations?
I would say it's invalid because it's a non-Catholic rite. If you put even a valid formula of the Holy Eucharist in a non-Catholic rite, you would have an invalid Mass, because the Holy Eucharist is the only sacrament that depends on, for validity, on its surrounding ceremonies. The other sacraments can be given in emergencies just by the matter and form. See, but you can't do that with the Holy Eucharist. I could not take a host and say the words of consecration right here. That would be an invalid consecration, because it has to be in the context of the Mass. So it's dependent on its surrounding ceremonies, but the surrounding ceremonies do not reflect Catholic doctrine concerning it. So that's one thing. The other thing is that in the Novus Ordo, the words of consecration are called the institution narrative. And it is certain from Catholic moral theology that if the priest regards it as only a narrative, it's certainly invalid. You see, but the fact that it suggests that this to the priest means that you have an invitation to invalidity there. The priest would have to overcome that, you see. And so the rite is by its very nature inducing invalidity.